How to find someone's location on Snapchat. For this, you have to go ahead and log into your Snapchat application, so go ahead and do that. Now once you are logged in your Snapchat, at the very top you will see your Bitmoji icon. Go ahead and tap on your avatar. So right here, if you scroll down, you will see a section called Snap Map. Right there, it will display location of yourself and your friends as well. Currently, I am in a ghost mode, that means no one can see my location. To see someone's location, tap on their profile and scroll down until you see the option of Snap Map. However, if the location share is off or if they are in the ghost mode, you won't be able to see your location similarly in this option. Now at the bottom you will see a location icon, tap on it, and from here as well you'll be able to find someone's location. Now to set your very own location setting, tap on the Bitmoji icon and go to settings option. Scroll down and tap on see my location option. Now toggle off your ghost mode if you want to share your location, or you can simply toggle it on to stay hidden about your location. And that is pretty much it for this video as well. We hope we helped and thank you so much for tuning in.